Hey, fellow backyard warriors, Nick here. I've got something special to share with you today. I just published a book on PVC crossbows that dives deep into the two builds we've covered on the channel. It's available on Amazon in both print and Kindle. There's also a printable PDF on Patreon, so whether you want it on your bookshelf or print it out in the shop, you're covered. And each option supports the channel just the same. Now, in the book, I walk you through two different crossbow designs. First, there's one with a recurved prod and more modern rifle-style stock. It's got a thumb lever trigger and a lashed-on PVC stirrup to help you load up easier. Plus, there's a captive arrow rest that keeps your bolt secure, even if you flip the crossbow upside down. It's a great one if you want that modern look and feel. Then, for you medieval fans, there's a second design with a short D-flex prod. This one's got a simpler, rugged stock and a pin-style trigger with a built-in safety, plus a bolt clip and a PVC stirrup. The whole setup has a bit more of that classic medieval vibe. Both of these have a 100-pound draw weight, which is fun to shoot and about the same as a 35-pound recurve, perfect for backyard target practice, but definitely not for hunting. There's also a bonus section on string making and even a quick tutorial on target points made from PEX pipe and duct tape fletching. If you want to take your crossbow builds further, check out the book on Amazon or Patreon. It's a great way to support the channel and keep these DIY projects rolling. Thanks as always for watching, and happy shooting. Bye. And for those of you who've stuck around to the end, I just want to give a thanks to all of the supporters on Patreon. You guys are a real lifesaver, and one of the main reasons I'm able to start doing projects again. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.